Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. And today's video is about greenhouse bee tutorial. And today's tutorial is greenhouse. So as usual, we'll start with the coding and yeah. So first of all, you need to get some extensions. So the extensions you're gonna need is ESP8266 from ThinkSpeak and DHT11 or DH22. I will put the name of the extension down below the description. You can search it from the description part, the extension part. Yeah, you click that expansion button. After that, you search for this, and after that you'll get ESP and DHT. You don't need data logger. I mistakenly clicked on this. All right, so let's start. Yes. First of all, we will start with a on start and we need to take a forever as well. Like we need one on start and four forevers. So we take all of it from basic, just duplicate, and duplicate. Done. Alright, nice. Just spread it out a bit for now. So let's start this. Right. So first we need to take from the ESP this and then put it on start. After that take wait 400 milliseconds. Yes, so because I'm using a Mac, you don't need to change this. This is RX, change it to P15, and then the TX change it to P16, and then the baud rate don't change it, and then your SSID because I'm using a Mac. Yeah, so I use I use a Wi-Fi connection, or no, because usually this ESP uses your hotspot from your laptop, so it's from your laptop to your ESP, but this time I'm using it from myself. I'm using field magnet from a phone, so I'll just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0, and then we take if then from logic, and then we take this. Alright, and then we go back here, take Wi-Fi connected. We go to basic. After that, show icon, and then put a smile. Yeah, a smile. No, that's not a smile. This is a smile. Alright, once you take that smile, you go back to basic. After that, you take clear screen, and then press this plus button so that it will show up. You take duplicate this too. After that, put it here, change the icon to sad face. Alright, so that's the first code. Alright, continue to the second code, which is a forever. So first of all, we will need we just need to take this one. Yes, put it here. Okay, after that change the data pin to P2. After that pin pull up, but keep it true, and then serial outputs false, and wait for 2 seconds after query true. Alright, that's all. And now the next one is ESP. We go back to ESP, and then we take this, put it in one of the forevers, put it here, and then let's start. So first of all, you need to make an account on ThinkSpeak. which is named, speak. The name of the website is thinkspeak.com. Yes, right here. I already make mine. After that, you make a channel. You make a channel. A channel here. Yes. Oh, sorry. And I have make one. Just make a new channel. Once you're done, you put change, and then you make you have 4 fields. Make 4 fields, and then the field one is for temperature. Second one is humidity for the soil, and fourth light level. And you can add other like visualizations and all of that. Next, but for this we only need the API key. Just go here and take the right API key. If you want to generate a new one, just generate it. But first, let's copy this, and then we paste it. First, paste it at our micro:bit here. Yes, like there. Boom. Done. Alright, continue. So next we continue to go back here. Have that read. So the first one, we follow the one from that we make on the website yeah, on the website. So if the first one is first field is temperature, you put it on the the code or temperature as well. And then the second one is humidity. That means you put on the second field you put humidity as well. And the third field there is soil, so you put soil as well there. And then you put light level as well. And the fourth field. Alright, back to the Microsoft Make code. Yeah, so on this code there is 4 fields, so like 8 fields. The first one is read temperature. Copy that and then change it to humidity. After that, we make a variable soil, and then put it here. Then after that, the last one I cannot really find light level, so I just search light level, and there it is. Alright, that is all. And next we go to the next one, next variable. So this one will need another variable. Set soil to yes, it's set soil to. After that, go to math and take this square root and then change it to integer. This integer. Yes. After that, we go to advanced and take pins, and then we take analog read pin P0 and 10. Change it here 10. Done. 9. After that, we go to logic. Take this. After that, we take this. Done. And now we change this to this. After that, variables, soil, put it there, and then change the soil under 50. Done. And then we'll go to music and take this melody, play melody. Play melody at 500. Play this melody, little melody at 500 tempo beats per minute, and we'll just copy. Just copy this. Put it inside this one. After that, change it to above. No, not that. Change it to above 50, and we'll delete it. Go back to music. After that, we take stop all sounds. Done. Next, you take this, else stop all sound. Yeah, so hold on, sorry. Alright, continue. Hold on. This is now we're on to the last code. So the last code is we take another if then. For this time it's for a light logo. So we go to logic, take an if then, put it there, and then we go to logic, take one of these, put it there, and then put it there, and we'll take a light level, duplicate it, put it here. After that, change it to 100, and then we go to print and take digital read pen, and then change it to 1. Alright, the P2 digital white pen P3 to 1. After that, we do just duplicate this, duplicate it, put it there. After that, change it to above 100 and change it to back to 0, and everything else. Alright, so well, the code is pretty much like that. So the first on start code is for the ESP. The ESP is like some sort of Wi-Fi device. So well, you can use Wi-Fi from your laptop or phone or your home Wi-Fi for connecting your ESP 8266. And well, yeah, this is, you will put your Wi-Fi SSID and the password, and for that, if it's connected, it will show this smile icon. If it doesn't connect, it will show this sad icon. After that, this is like the DHT thing. Yeah, I don't know. After that, this is for your monitoring. So you monitor all of your data, yeah, all of that up and down things, or all of that data. It connects to ThinkSpeak, so you just need to write that API key, fill the fields. After that, well done. Next is soil. So this is like to tell you how wet or dry is the soil, or your soil or dirt that you use for the greenhouse. After that, this is data for how much light that the plants inside your greenhouse gets. And yeah, this is pretty much how the data thing. Yeah, and this also it's the simulator is not here. Maybe let's see here. Yeah, it is connected. It should be connected on the ThinkSpeak website. Yeah, pretty much like that. So well, maybe if you guys still need some explanations and all of that, I'm sorry that I can't really tell you guys many details about this, and I'm sorry if I have bad delivering in this. Thank you for watching today this, well, and maybe thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if I have any mistakes, and I'll see you next time at the demo. See you next time at the demo.